Hi folks, James here. Just a quick video on natural gas. I'm going to try and populate the first video in the new channel after I hack. So let's start with this quick 3-minute video on natural gas. As you can see, we're still in this falling wedge. Please check out yesterday's live stream. I covered this in some detail. I'm just doing a special natural gas video here to populate the channel on the new channel. So what happened over the weekend was we bounced out a little gap up. We came back down in the last, this is a 4-hour chart, the last number of candles. And please do look at yesterday's video live stream. The link is the videos on this channel because I went through the COT report and I went through all of this in quite a lot more detail. So I'm not going to do that again now. This is a quick video, but we tried to refill the gap, the weekend gap. We didn't quite get there, so it's a little bit of a concern. We got to within, I think, a penny of closing the gap. So we didn't close it, but we've bounced out nevertheless. We're approaching the 20-period moving average right now. This is live. And the first job that we've got to do is get above this level at 271 and close above there. That will close us above the ledge, get us moving into the upper half of the top of this wedge, and put us above the 20-period moving average, which we're trying to break through right now. At the top of the wedge is the 50-period, and if we can get through there on the 4-hour chart and the wedge top, that would be a great achievement. And that should propel us up into the next level, a breakthrough there into the next sort of order block just above. Let's try and draw this out the way it might work out. Just allow for a bit of faffing around underneath here still, and then eventually break up into that zone, up into there, that order block, something like that. And basically my target is there, the next order block closer to 325, and then I think we can get to 350, then 375. And then beyond 375, that's this level here in the middle of the page, the green line, which is the bottom of a very large weekend rollover gap. Also not been filled. Now we've got a little gap that I showed you earlier just below us, missing a penny that we didn't fill in that gap. Well, this is much more than a penny. This is a massive weekend rollover gap, and it's still not resolved. So the bottom is 375, the top is 425 with $4 in the middle. Those are all my targets. Natural gas likes the 25s, right? So we're going for, well, we're at 268 now. So next one is 275. Let's see where that is. Let's zoom along. It's probably the top of the wedge. Actually, it is. So 275, the next 25-cent target, is the top of the wedge. And then $3, and then 325, and then, you know, into the next block up there, 375, and then 425. So that's my strategy on natural gas. And the only thing that will prevent me from remaining in that view is a breakdown below this level at 261. And I've set my hedge level at 259. But anyway, I'm hoping for this to actually happen instead. And if we do get hedged, we'll just wait for it to turn around, get unhedged. We've already done that once. We got hedged on the move down from 271 when we broke down, and we got unhedged back at break even again. So we didn't lose anything on that hedge. Sometimes you can get away with it on a hedge. You know, you can get out at break even, having protected the downside, but also, you know, getting back into the trade for no loss. Well, I hope you found that useful, folks. First natural gas video on this channel. Let's see how it goes. Take care, and I'll see you next time. I'll see you in the Sunday night live video. And every day now, I'm doing live day trading with my private members, also on this channel, but they're not open to the public. If you'd like to join us in the private group, there are links below this video, and you can click on them, get going straight away. You can join us for our swing trading across all of the instruments, also our day trading, and of course, natural gas and WTI oil and precious metals, big in vogue right now. Take care. Speak to you soon.